Did you check those 3D images? Aren't they awesome? Awesome. So I just created those using an awesome AI tools in few seconds. Do you also want to see how you can also do the same and create any number of 3D images for your websites, for your branding, for your logos? Then check out this video till the end and please subscribe my channel. Let's start. First, go to Dzine AI website. Then on the right side, you will see a yellow start for free box. Click on it. After that, you will need to log in using your Google account. This is the home page of Dzine AI. The unique thing about this tool is you can also import PSD files. So in Dzine AI, you can use several popular tools like image to image, text to image, generate consistent characters, image to video, and face swap. If you scroll down, you will find features like sketch to art, 2D to 3D image, art reference, and much more. We are going to use 2D to 3D image feature. Let's click on it. Now delete the current image and click on the upload image button in the center to upload your image. I'm going to upload my tools TweeFeed's logo to convert it into 3D. So if you are using social medias to brand your services or product, then make sure you check out TweeFeed. It helps you to increase your engagement and followers for sure. It's an AI reply generator. The link you find out on I button or in the description. So after uploading, on the right side, you will need to click on choose as a style. You will see many style options. You can select one you like. Since I want to convert it to 3D, I will choose that option. In 3D section, you will also find several options to choose from. I'll select 3D rendering. Now here, you can add a prompt to make changes if you want. Based on the image, it is automatically generated and I'm not going to change it. Below you will find option for style intensity and structure match, which you can adjust as needed. To keep the color matching same, turn on the color match option. Afterward, click on advanced, where you can add a negative prompt if necessary. I'm not going to add right now. Once everything is set, click on generate and within seconds your 3D image will be generated. Here is the final result. It generated 4 different 3D images for you and you can download them from here or compare the before and after result. I have generated many 3D images like this and you can see the result on the screen. So hope you enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.